Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk a little bit about the future here. We've got a few more weeks of classes, and we're starting on Module 2 today. During Module 2, you will do some things on change and andragogy, looking at Knowles again, looking at relationship in teaching. There are some videos to watch. There's some discussions. There's an assignment. Looking at ahead at your final project. I know you've already done one thing on that, but looking at your final project and questions that you would like answered. So this is kind of like not necessarily a research question, but something like that. What is a question that you have that you would like to find out more about for your final project? And that assignment is just one page in length, and here are some parameters for that. And then in Module 3, which begins September 26th and goes through October 14th, that's when you'll do some reading and you'll look at discussion 6 and assignment 4 and 5. Now, assignment 4 and 5 are connected. Assignment 4 is your final project, and so you're going to look at your assignments 2 and 3 and pick one of those problems that you had looked at. Probably assignment 3 will give you a better idea about what you want to do. And then create a project where you design materials. It can be a training module, it can be an assignment, or anything else that matches your role as a teacher, as an instructional designer, as whatever your role is, or whatever role you're going for in the future. And this project should include technology, not just how you present it, but what would you require of your students or of your constituents, whatever it is, clients. You can use any format to present your project. You can use Google Slides, you can use Docs, Prezi, Powtoon, but I want you to include the following things in your project. The introduction, learning theory, you've chosen to guide the project, so what do you look at the most? Now, a lot of you, really like Knowles. A lot of you have talked about how Knowles doesn't quite go far enough or quite pinpoint things as much. So, whatever you want to look at in that. And then the objectives for your audience, your students or whoever, and then post your link to your assignment in the assignment 4 category in the G+ community. If you would like to discuss this further, I'd like to invite you to a Google Hangout, either Wednesday night or Thursday night, whatever would be best. And if you just respond to this post, we'll schedule something. So let me know yes or no. Let me know if yes, what, you don't have to let me know no, just let me know. Well, maybe you do, because what I'd like to know is that you've read it. So I'd like to know that you've read this invitation and that you have the opportunity to respond. So either yes, you need it, or no, you don't. And maybe you don't know yet. Maybe this is something we need to save for another week. And I'm willing to do that. So kind of let me know your thinking on getting together and talking about a topic and talking about how you want to proceed with that assignment 4. And then assignment 5 is a video reflection. And I really don't want it to be any longer than 5 minutes. I'd like you to talk about these things that are bulleted. And you don't have to go into great detail because I'll see the details in your assignment. But a lot of times this helps clarify things in your assignment for me as I'm grading. So I kind of like to have this as well to help with that. But that will be the end of the class, and you'll be done at that point. But anyway, again, just respond to the post, this post, and let me know what your thinking is on getting together, on talking about it, and we'll go from there. Okay? I hope you have a good week. I plan to. I got my tenure notebook in, my promotion notebook, I hope. And so I can breathe now, and that's kind of fun. So I hope that you have a good week, and we'll talk later.